Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am coming with this super yummiest dish, that is the Momo Platter, where I will share how to create the super cute basket and the delicious momos, which is made using handmade cold porcelain clay. The tray, the platter, the chutneys, the sauces, everything is completely handmade. Isn't it looking very pretty and attractive and tempting? So without any delay, let's get started. So here I'm taking my handmade clay. If you want to learn how to create this clay, I have given the link in description box, you can check there. Now I'm just scrapping little bit of orange color on my clay and mixing it very well to create the orange colored clay, and then just flatten it on the surface using any pen. And then I'm chopping this in very small pieces using blade or cutter. So in short, I am here creating the small chunks of the carrots. And this is done. With the similar method, I have prepared small chunks of green colored clay, which will work like the spring onion. So our veggies are done. Now again I am taking my handmade clay to create the momos, just rolling it on the surface and dividing in equal parts so that we will have same size momo. And then taking one of the part, rolling it on my palm, and mixing little bit of spring onion and the carrot pieces with this so that it will peep from the momo and it will look like the momo is filled with lots of veggies. It will give you the realistic look like this. Just mixing it nicely, roll it on the palm, make a long pipe, thin from both the ends, curve it like this. And then using paper cutter, I am just creating some texture on back side of the momo. And before giving the texture, I am just pinching it on the top like this. Then putting the texture like this. And the momo is ready. Then taking one small piece of clay, rolling it like this to create long pipe. And on the top sharp edge, I am attaching this pipe using glue, cutting the excess clay. And the super cute momo is completely ready. With the same way, I am going to prepare some more. Now I am showing you one more way of creating the another style of momos. Again taking white clay, mixing with my carrot and spring onion chunks, roll it on the palm, make a circle, then just put it on the surface and pinch it from the top to create the cone kind of shape. And then giving the texture using paper cutter from all the sides toward the center. Then just twisting all the patterns in a round manner, pressing it in the center from back side of the brush, and the momo pattern is ready. Similarly, I have prepared 4 these type of momos and 8 to 9 another style of momo. Then to create plate, I am taking here air dry clay This is the modeling clay, flattening it on the surface and using the circular cutter making a circle shape, and then rolling it on my palm to create little 3D shape of the plate. And the plate is ready. Allow it to dry. Then making a small bowl for my chutneys and sauces. So just rolling it on my palm and using backside of paintbrush, rolling it again to give it little depth. In this way you can create the bowl like this. Now after drying the bowl and the plate, I am coloring it using dark brown chocolatey color. This is the acrylic color. Similarly, I have colored other bowl, and I have also created 2 small bowls using white color clay for the chutneys. So this is done. Then here I am taking 3 cm diameter circular bottle, and around this I am wrapping 2 off-white color strips in 3 mm. Here I am showing you how to create the Momo basket. So the ring is ready. Then here I am taking small pieces of white color cardstocks and sticking it on the ring like this to create the base of the basket. Just cutting the excess strips like this. And then here I am taking 10 mm of white colored strip and just wrapping it around the ring. So this is done. Then again taking 10 mm of white colored strip, and by leaving little gap I am wrapping it like this in the bottom. And it will be the base of our Momo basket. Now taking here one piece of white color cardstock and then just dividing it in 3 mm strips like this. Here I am showing you how to create the cap of the basket. Now taking off-white color 3 mm strip and start weaving it through these strips alternatively. Then on back side just securing it, and again alternatively I am weaving the another strip. And with the same method I am going to create the weaved pattern. So my weaved pattern is done. Now Taking one paper circle which fits exactly on top of the basket and sticking it on the weave pattern. Cutting excess paper, and here is the top. Then around this basket I am wrapping again off-white color 3mm strip. Taking it out. And the ring is ready. Then I'm sticking it on top of the light brown color cardstock. Cutting excess cardstock from the edge. And then on top of this I am adding my weaved pattern. Then on top of this I am adding one small piece of light brown color cardstock strip as the handle. And this is done, which is fitting perfectly on our box. So cute. Then again taking my handmade clay, rolling it on the surface, cutting in a circular shape to create the banana leaf on which we are going to put our Momo. And then to give little texture to this, I am using my paper cutter and creating the veins. Like this, allow it to dry, and after drying I am coloring it using green acrylic color. So the banana leaf is ready. Then I am sticking the banana leaf inside the basket. And then on top of this I am decorating with momos. Like this. Then taking the plate to create the presentation platter. First I am sticking the circular Momo and then adding these long Momo. Very yummy. I am feeling hungry now. Then here I am taking my orange and red soft pastel, just scraping it on the acrylic block and putting here Glossy Accent with this. So just mix it really very well to create the Szechuan sauce. And then I am adding little bit of dark orange color clay chunks with this to give it realistic look of Szechuan sauce. And this is ready. Then taking one of the katori or the bowl, then putting this clay powder inside the bowl by adding glue for the base of chutney, and then on top of this I am going to pour my handmade Szechuan chutney, which will give the realistic look. If this is dried, add some more Glossy Accent, or you can also use glossy varnish, and just fill the bowl like this. So this is done. Now here I am showing you how to create the mayonnaise dip. For this I have taken here the scrap of soft white color pastel and a little bit of glue, and then mixing the carrot and onion chunks with this to create nice dip. Mix it really very well and take the bigger bowl and filling it using this yummy mayo. So this is also done. Then here I am taking 6 cm long ice cream stick. This is 1.5 cm wide ice cream stick, and I am joining 4 wide and 1 thin 6 cm long strips. Then on back side adding 2 more sticks for the support and 2 more line vertically in both the corners to give little height to our platter base. So this is completely dried, and I am using it as it is without any other color because the wood color will go very nicely with the Momo platter. Now it's time to arrange everything on our platter base. So I am starting with adding the basket. Then the lid I am putting diagonally like this. After that adding the Momo plate, and then here I have prepared these 2 cute chopsticks which are made using toothpicks. I have just colored it using dark brown and red acrylic color. Then adding all my dips and chutneys. Like this, and super yummy miniature Momo platter is completely ready. If you wish, you can add the magnet on backside to convert this into fridge magnet, or you can keep it as it is as the showpiece, and you can gift it to Momo lovers just like me. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.